So once you've killed the Minotaur, how you gonna find your way out of the maze? You hear the jealous hands of bitter men carve the meat before the table is laid. And they are hungry for you. They are hungry for you. With an appetite so insatiable, they are hungry for you. The warm thread of love leads you to freedom. Once the hero's deed is done, you leave her lying without a parasol in the slow solitaire of sun. And she is hungry for you. She is hungry for you. With an appetite so generous, she is hungry for you. No surrender to a lover, or the wars of the maze, with many blisses to uncover. A black sail billows, the sun hits your blade, and you are hungry for you. You are hungry for you. With an appetite so dangerous, you are hungry for you.